Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English class. In the previous lecture, I had completed the chapter number 9, Madam Rides the Bus from your book First Flight. Today I am going to take two long answer type questions which are also known as value based questions. So the word limit of the question answer is 100 to 120 words and the question carry 8 marks. So students, you need to focus and concentrate more on such type of questions, and you need to practice, have practice of such kind of questions, because once you have practiced and developed the habit of writing those long answer type questions, then it can fetch you very good marks in English. You can have a very good score in language. So let's see how we can write the answer of these two questions. Earlier also, but in during last year we had done number of questions, such type of questions, value based questions, based on the chapters which we had read. So let's see the two questions. Now the question 1 is, age is not a barrier. So students, age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and great. Which characteristics of Vali help her achieve the wonder of visiting the town at such a tender age? Now, what is tender? Tender means very young age, very small age. So, it is a very good word used for small or a little. Now, next term is wonder. Wonder is something which makes you surprised, or you are astonished to see something or someone doing something great beyond her age or his age. Now, the third term is characteristics. The first one is which characteristics of Vali. So, here we need to write about the personality traits of Vali. So, directly or indirectly, this question is about the character sketch of Vali. So, we did not have to mention all the character sketch which we have learned, or all the adjectives which we have learned throughout the chapter, but we need to focus or concentrate on only those characteristics which helped Vali to make her journey to the town by bus a successful one. Fine. So students, let's see the sentence or the statement, question statement, which says age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and great. Barrier means obstacle, hurdle. So we have to mention this statement in the question, in the answer. We can write the same statement, we can begin the question, we can begin the answer with the same statement, or we can use the same statement in the middle of the answer, or we can write the same statement at the end of the answer, that means as a concluding line. So we can introduce our answer with this statement, or we can use it as a middle statement, or we can close the answer, or we can conclude our answer by writing the same sentence as it is without making any kind of change in the structure, and this will help you increase the word limit of your answer, which is already given as a hint to you, and we need to elaborate this particular sentence in context of Vali's characteristics. So how age was not a barrier for Vali, you can better explain it, that as Vali was a very young girl, a little girl of 8 years old, and when it came to doing something different, so what different or what unique or what astonishing or what wonder Vali had done in the chapter. So you can write that the way she had planned her journey from her village to the town was really an astonishing event which we came through, and then you have to mention about the various characteristics which helped her to make this journey a successful attempt. So first of all, we can mention about Vali, that she was a very confident and bold girl, because without confidence and boldness no one can attempt to go out of the home, especially at the age of 8. She was a kid, so she couldn't dare to go or step out of her home into the outside world without her parents or without any guardian, but she dared. So we can say that she was confident, she was bold, or she was a daring girl, so which helped her achieve this achieve success in the journey. Secondly, we can write that she was a very keen observer. The way she observed the people, the passengers sitting in the bus, the way she observed the bus commuting or flying from one stop to another, from her village to the town, that observation aroused a keen desire, or helped a tiny wish to develop into an overwhelming desire in the heart or in the mind of that little girl, that she became determined. So determination, strong willpower and determination is another characteristics which we need to mention here, because without determination, without strong willpower, no one can dare to venture out of the home, with around the strangers, or in the world of strange people. So we can say that Vali was a strong willed and a strongly determined girl, or she had a strong determination, or she had made a strong determination to venture out of her home, and she had planned everything by her own without taking any help from any of her relative, parents or friends. So we can say that she was a daring girl and she decided everything on her own. She was an independent girl, and she was a good executioner and planner. The way she had planned her journey, the way she had gathered information about the time, the distance, the amount which she would be needing for the payment of the fare. So all these informations gathered by Vali or collected by Vali shows that she was a very smart executioner or a very smart planner, and these various qualities helped her to achieve the wonder of visiting the town at such a wonder tender age. So in this way you can write the answer in your own word. You can add one or two additional qualities of Vali, which helped her go through that journey. What could be that? Her sacrificing nature. If she had not sacrificed her temptations for peppermints, toys, balloons, or the merry-go-round ride in the village fair, if she had spent the entire money which she had saved, or she had collected, or the way she had suppressed all her desires, all her urges, she would not be able to accomplish her journey. She would not be in the position to pay the fare to the conductor. So that journey could not have been attempted by her. So these are the various traits or characteristic of Vali, that young girl, made her move to the town. So hence one should always remember that there is no age to learn and experience new things. You can also give the example that in various programs we see on channel, that how children are doing wonder by displaying their creativity, their acts, the way they sing, the way they dance, the way they do number of adventurous activities on various programs, are really mind blowing and daring act of the children. So we can say that, or by those examples this can be proved that age is not a barrier when it comes to doing something different and great. It means that not only adult people, not only expert or a veteran person can do something different and great, but a child can also do the same, which Vali has proved. So this statement is true in context of Vali, the main character of the story. Fine. Now I hope that this answer is very much clear to you, and you will be in the position to write answer in your own word. Now let's see question number 2. Vali's journey to the town or city was an induction into the mystery of life and death. Elaborate. Elaborate means you have to expand the statement. See, there is no question mark, no punctuation sign of question is given here, because it is simply a statement, and you can have such type of question. A statement will be given to you and you will be asked to elaborate. Elaborate means to expand, to explain it in a better way, that how the journey of Vali to the town from her village was a kind of introduction of that little girl to life and death. So children, while explaining the chapter, I had told you that there are two aspects of world. What are those aspects? One is life and another is death. So how Vali confronted those two aspects when she stepped out of her home, because she was a very innocent girl. Although she was precocious and she was mature, and she behaved like an adult, which the way she replied, the way she talked, the way she had collected information about her journey, proved that she was really a precocious child. But but before venturing out into the world, she always thought that the outside world was full of happiness, full of life, full of joy, and it is delightful and tempting to go out. But when she moved out of her home, she was confronted with another aspect of life, another aspect of world, that was death. So what happened to her when she moved from her house, from her village to the town? She enjoyed a lot. We found Wali enjoying the entire scene, the beauty of the nature, the green trees, palms, canals, rivers, mountains, blue sky, everything she liked, and she was very happy. And she even disliked the way the people were interfering and disturbing her. So this shows that she was very happy because she found the world to be very beautiful one. So this is about the life. But one more thing, she had a funny incident during her journey towards the town, and she saw a young cow running in the middle of the road with a raised tail. So that made her laughed and clapped. She clapped, and she laughed a lot. She enjoyed this scene. But and when she found that the cow was running more and more here and there in order to escape from the horn which was sounded repeatedly by the driver to move that cow away from the front of the bus. So Wali found it funny and amusing, and she laughed till tears came into her eyes. So she laughed till laughter. She had a great laughter, and the tears rolled down on her cheeks from her eyes. So we can say that she had a very lively and enjoyable trip from her village to the town. But when she was returning back, although the scene which she had already seen from her eyes, but those scenes were not at all boring. It least bored her. Fine. But when she found the same young cow lying dead on the road, all her enthusiasm, all her delightfulness, joy immediately went away, immediately disappeared from her face, and she now no longer wanted to look out of the window because she was overpowered with sadness or sorrow, as she found that some fast speeding vehicle might had hit that cow, and it was a very horrible and pitiable sight to see that same lively beautiful creature which had a charm just 40 to 50 minutes before. That cow was lying dead on the road. She was crushed, and everywhere blood was spilled, and her legs were spread, and the way the eyes had come out from the socket of the cow gave her a very ugly look of the life. So here the image of the dead cow haunted her, dampening her spirits and making her sad. So, in this way, we can say that Wali ultimately or finally confronted the death, and she tried to realize the nature of the death by her own. So, in this way, we can say that Wali tried to manage herself to the term or to the nature of the death too, as the author as she learnt that day that death was also an inseparable part of world or life. So students, this is all you need to write in your answer. Hopefully you will write correct answer in your homework. So on these two questions you need to attempt as your home assignment. So see you again in your next class with with some revision points or key points or main points, so that you can have better idea of the chapter once again. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.